the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer.
Hey, love is everything. Without it,
The boy is mine. Hey guys, happy Thursday. So it's actually like 10 o'clock. 10:01 and I just got done filming a video. The video that's going up, Vlogmas, is going up very late today, but it's not a vlog. I posted basically a why I just chose LPM video over RN. I told you guys I was gonna post it, so I finally did. Well, recorded it, so it's posted. By the time you see this vlog, it's definitely up, so it should be up within the next hopefully hour or so, because I really don't have to do any editing, and I don't think I'm gonna put the intro on it just because, like, I don't know, y'all don't care about this, but I just want to get on here and kind of talk to y'all because I really have not talked to you guys. I filmed a little bit of me putting my rack on my door earlier, but it's been a very chill day. I got up this morning, I did homework, did my last anatomy and physiology homework assignment, so I'm super happy about that. And I really cleaned up. Like, I went to the grocery store, ran a couple errands, went to the grocery store, went to Dollar Tree, like the same little weekly errands we had. And then I deep cleaned. I cleaned the bathroom, I cleaned the room, I vacuumed, I did laundry, I folded, put all the clothes up, and then like just organized everything, cleaned my vanity, cleaned the bathroom, you know, all that stuff. So that's basically that. So I'm excited for just, I don't know, tomorrow's the last day of clinical. So I gotta get back on my vlog stuff, y'all, because it's early. It's only December 7th. We can't be slipping up. But yeah, we gotta get back on our vlog stuff. But I'm excited. This should be a pretty exciting weekend, even though I'm going to be doing a lot of studying because next week is finals. There'll be a lot of stuff. I'll be doing work. I'm gonna pick up my first travel CNA shift, so I'm really excited for that. I'm gonna definitely vlog and let y'all know what my experience is. I also got some exciting collabs working, and yeah, I never reach out to brands, and sometimes I'm not the best at checking my email because sometimes like certain brands emails will go to your junk mail just because of like what it is. And so I reached out to some brands. So I have some exciting collabs coming up, and I just found out like some different tools and stuff. Like, being a content creator and influencer, like, it's work. You have to like keep up with apps and thumbnails and all these different things. It's a lot, but I'm excited to kind of like focus and have my way to make the rest of these vlogs interesting. We can go out, do stuff, you know, shopping. We ain't been shopping, girl. We ain't been shopping. Like, we have not been shopping. Like, that's, y'all know that's not me. Good morning, happy Friday, y'all. So I'm actually almost home. I just, like, I don't know, some days, like, I think after like social, like a lot of social interaction or whatever, like usually at work, like I need to drive home in silence just to like debrief, you know, because it's like the whole day you're just constantly having people talking to you, your residents, your co-workers. Sometimes I just need to rest my voice like after work. So I basically sat home and rode home in silence, which I didn't even realize. But today was our last day of clinical of the semester, and I am very happy, y'all. Y'all know I have very mixed feelings about this clinical site that we were at, and we did do like a clinical evaluation, and I was very honest. We had it for our instructor as well as the plates. So yeah, the site was just, we were in a care center, and well, actually the place we were at, they had everything. They had independent apartments, they have a TCU, they have, where we were was the care suites, so that's kind of just like a long-term care facility. They have assisted living, they have a memory care unit. So it was actually a really, really big campus. Like they have everything that you could possibly need on there. But we worked in particular the care suites, like the long-term care suites. So I felt like it was nice. The patients were awesome. Honestly, I didn't have any bad patients. All my patients were amazing. My patient today, he was really good. But I just feel like the reality is that we did a lot of CNA tests. Like today, which was the last day, was my first time doing any kind of injection, and it was blood sugar and insulin, which I know for some people they've never done it before. So, you know, it's a whole different, it's a thing, you know, to do, and people have been excited about doing it and stuff. But I've done that like as a medication aid. I've done blood sugars and insulin like the back of my hand, you know what I'm saying? So it was nice to do that today, just to have something else to do and like do pills and medication. But I feel like that's really essentially all we did on top of like vital sign. Hey y'all, so it is later on Friday. It is like 6:06 right now, and I am about to actually do my nails. I got a package from Model Ones, which is a brand. I've actually used this brand before. I have a whole like press-on set and Gel X kit actually from them that I like purchased with my own money. Excuse me, like a couple years ago, like when I used to really do my press-ons and have all those gel polishers. Like if y'all know, y'all know. So anyway, they actually sent me over a package, and it's actually their Polygel kit, and I'm really excited to try it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. But this is how the packaging looks. I'm not gonna do too much because I'm gonna vlog it. I want to vlog it and kind of TikTok it also. But this is kind of like a preview of what it looks like. That's really, I like that. It's nice sleek packaging. And then I just got like different colors. Like, and I mainly got like deep colors. So like I got a holiday red. This is like a bright red. This is the sparkly red. Which one is this? It's like a red, I guess. But I was like, when I was looking, I'm like, why not choose one that had more pinks? I don't know. But then there's like a sparkly like gold. And a sparkly like silver. Or that was the silver. That one is like the gold. It's like rose gold actually. And then there's white. So yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try it out. So it comes obviously with those, and then it comes with your shapers, it comes with your top coat, your solution, a brush, a file, and this super cute little pink gel lamp. Like, how cute is this? So I'm hoping that this works, because I had bought a small one like that from, not from them, but from Burlington, and it was cheap. So I mean, I don't even know if I should put it on the fact that it was cheap or that it was small, but it didn't cure. But I'm very excited to try these out. So thank you to Model One for sending this kit over, and you guys will be seeing me experiment with it in like the next couple of videos. Well, not the next couple of videos, but you guys will be seeing me, you know, do it in different content. I think I'm gonna do a TikTok video, and then I'm obviously gonna show you guys the set I do tonight. And I'm going to do the silver glitter set, and I'm gonna do like a nice little short, clean, classic set. And I'm actually gonna try to like soak my nails a little bit. I got my little nail brush, so I'm gonna like do a whole little kit. Before we do that, I do want to smell some scents with y'all. I got this in the mail from Sephora today, which is just basically their best fragrance scents. They're having like a fragrance sale, I guess, December 13th through the 24th. And it's Sephora's and Kohl's, and it's 20% off full-size fragrances, which actually is a good deal. You guys know, like, I'm in my fragrance and my perfume era. Everyone who's asked me like what I want for Christmas, I've been telling them I want perfume. So I'm very much so in my perfume era, and That's a good deal, 20% off, because a lot of perfumes like don't go on sale. So you got to get creative with like how you get it or whatever. So anyways, so I wanted to smell some of them because there's a lot that I haven't smelled. So the first one is Killian Paris. Let me turn the brightness down a little bit. Killian Paris, that's what it looks like. Let me see how it smells though. It smells good. It's a light scent. It says warm florals, and it definitely is good. Like, it smells good, but it's very floral. I'm a person who doesn't really honestly like floral too much, but I will like do a floral. It just has to be like a specific one. Like Marc Jacobs Daisy, I can tolerate that, but like certain ones with like that are too floral, I'm not into it. Okay, the next one is Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, and this is actually one of my favorite designer fragrances, and one of the first ones that I actually tried. It smells so good. Like, this is probably, like I said, one of my all-time favorites. Smells really, really good, and it just doesn't get better. They do have different ones, like the Miss Dior that doesn't have Bloom Bouquet, but I believe that the Bloom Bouquet smells the best. That smells so good. Like, oh my God. Okay, then we have Tom Ford Tobacco Vanilla. I already know I'm not going to like this one because I don't like tobacco kind of smells. And then as far as vanilla goes, I'm very picky because some vanilla can be like overpowering. You know what? I guess it's like, you can't say you don't like something. It actually doesn't smell bad. Like, it's not giving like the harsh tobacco that I was thinking. That's not too bad. I think that's a cologne though. And then there's Replica Maison Margiela. Are these colognes? I think these are colognes. I haven't smelled anything by Replica before. That smells really nice, but that's definitely a cologne. But that smells really nice for your man. So I'm actually like in the market because I want to get my brother a nice perfume. That's how you know I'm just not a boy anything. But I want to get my brother a nice cologne because he likes stuff like that. So I was like, let me get him something by Replica, or not by Replica, but just get him something. That's a nice one to consider. Valentino Donna Born in Roma. I actually have this one. It's one of the samples that I have, and it smells really good. It's a nice one. This is another warm floral, so again, but it has that sweet balance. Prada Paradox. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Prada has a scent that I like a lot. I think it's Prada Candy, and it smells really good. This one smells good. It says warm florals. It's a little bit too, I would prefer like the candy over it, but it does smell good. Doesn't smell bad. Then we have Flower Bomb by Victor Roth. This is warm florals again, but honestly, the warm florals have been coming through. That smells good.